Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my lovely listeners. This is your brother Getaneh and the channel is Learn English with Getaneh. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. If you are not new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button. Today, in this video, we are going to look at 11 kitchen tools. Let's get started. Ladle, ladle, ladle. My mother bought a stainless ladle at the market. My mother bought a stainless ladle at the market. Chopping board, chopping board, chopping board. The chefs always use the chopping board to chop onions. The chefs always use the chopping board to chop onions. Cooking pot, cooking pot, cooking pot. Children mustn't touch hot cooking pot. Children mustn't touch hot cooking pot. Lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer. Could you pass me the lemon squeezer, please? Could you pass me the lemon squeezer, please? Rolling pin, rolling pin, rolling pin. Raquel sometimes uses a floured rolling pin to flatten the dough. Raquel sometimes uses a floured rolling pin to flatten the dough. Peeler, peeler, peeler. Do you have a potato peeler? Do you have a potato peeler? Frying pan, frying pan, frying pan. My little sister never uses frying pan to make fried eggs. My little sister never uses frying pan to make fried eggs. Knife, knife, knife. The knife is not sharp. The knife is not sharp. Whisk, whisk, whisk. The girls use whiskers to beat the eggs. The girls use whiskers to beat the eggs. Kettle, kettle, kettle. I usually make coffee with a kettle. I usually make coffee with a kettle. Grater, grater, grater. Please be careful when you use grater. Please be careful when you use grater.